Today I'm going to show you how you can make money online by selling a product you've never heard about on Etsy. Just like this store that's making $1,390 every month. Or this store that's making $2,560 each month in passive income. I'm talking about printable crossword puzzles. By the end of this video, you will learn how to validate the 12-month demand for this product, so you can increase your chances of making consistent sales on Etsy. Do product research to find the style that consumers want and are willing to buy right now, and learn step by step how to create your own custom product with no competition. If you watch this video to the end, I reward you by showing you an easy way to get dozens of crossword puzzles for your store within minutes, and also a cool way to triple your online sales, so make sure you stick around. Finally, if you like this content, help us reach our first 1,000 subscribers by subscribing to this channel. Share this video with at least 3 persons and drop a like on this video, so the YouTube algorithm will push this video to other persons out there who may be looking for a legal way to put food on their table. Okay, so enough of that, let's get to work. Before you launch a new product on Etsy, you must first verify that there is a sustainable demand for the product in question. Our mission is to identify and satisfy a unique demand, and today we will be using 2 tools to get the job done. First, let's jump onto Google and see what's popping. I'm using a tool called Keywords Everywhere, so you'll notice that once I enter printable crossword puzzle, it will automatically pull the search volume from Google Keyword Planner, so we can check the keyword in question and also check several related keywords all at the same time. In addition to pulling up the search volume, it also pulls up the cost per click, or CPC, shown here to the right of the search volume, so we know how much we can expect to pay Google, should we decide to launch a Google pay-per-click campaign. Also, it identifies the level of competition for each keyword by assigning a number between 0 and 1, with 1 representing maximum competition. If you see a 1 at the end, don't panic. It simply means you now need to find a sub-niche to increase your chances of success. Here's a pro tip. You will notice that as I hover over these bars at the end, it shows the number of search queries for each of the past 12 months, which helps us decide whether this product is an evergreen product. This means that the demand for this product is consistent, and that is exactly what we're looking for if we are to generate monthly passive income. Another pro tip is that we like to see an average monthly search volume of around 50,000 or more, which is enough to increase our chances of making multiple sales each month. Our second step is to validate what we just saw by pulling up this product on Google Trends, and we want to see consistently strong demand over time, and that is exactly what we are looking at for this product. Now that we know that there is strong demand for printable crossword puzzles, and also that the demand is consistent, we can now move forward by entering our search term into Etsy to get some inspiration on how to present our puzzle to potential buyers so we can maximize sales. As we're scrolling through, let's see if we can identify listings that jump out at us and invite us to click. This is exactly what a potential buyer will do once they enter the search term for our printable crossword puzzle. In addition to identifying listings that pop, we are also clicking on listings to get inspiration on how to write a professional product description. And we are also reading the reviews of our top competitors, so we can deliver what customers like and avoid what they dislike. Another important activity that you should cover in your product research stage on Etsy is to identify shops with high-volume products. These are products with heavy demand. To identify these products, simply click on any product listing and then click on the name of the shop to visit the shop's homepage. Once you're on the homepage, scroll down and look for products that 3 or more persons have in their baskets. Once you've identified these products, make a list and create your own version of these products. These are hot sellers, and you can make money right away by offering these items to the public. Now that we've found a few stores that are making consistent sales and we've read through their reviews, we can now start our crosswords puzzle design. And there are 2 ways to get this done. The hard way that I'm about to show you, and a much easier way that I will show you at the end. Both ways have their pros and cons, and it's up to you to learn both ways, and then decide what works best for your business. If you want to create a custom-made crossword puzzle, then follow the 3 steps below. First, let's hop onto ChatGPT and enter, "Give me 10 crosswords puzzle topics for nature lovers." Once we have our result, let's enter this prompt to generate our first crossword puzzle. Now that we have our puzzle, let's hop onto crosswordlabs.com and generate our crossword puzzle. At the time of recording, this website is absolutely free to use, and the terms of service allows you to sell your puzzle without attribution. Now that we have our crosswords puzzle generated, let's hop onto Canva and finalize our crossword puzzle. Click on Create Design, enter your dimensions. In this example, we are using 8.5 inches by 11 inches to generate our sample puzzle. Once the page is created, simply go back to Crossword Labs and drag your puzzle and the clues across to Canva. At this point, you may take as much time as possible to create the custom look you desire. You can even add dummy blocks to complete the square and add additional information to the page. Once you're done, simply click on Share and download your crossword puzzle as a PDF, ready to upload to Etsy. Since our research revealed that all sellers are selling crossword page bundles, you would have to repeat this process 40, 50 or more times, based on the number of pages in the bundle you wish to create. As promised, another way to get your shop up and running in just minutes is to hop over to Fiverr, enter crossword puzzles in the search bar, and select any seller you like. Some sellers like this one will create custom-made puzzles for you in any niche you desire. As you can see, they look professional, and all you're required to do is to place your order, make your payment, and wait a few days for your puzzles to be delivered. You would still have to do your homework by following steps 1 and 2 above before you place your order. Another way to diversify your income is to sell your crossword puzzle on Amazon as a KDP insert. When you order your product on Canva, simply tell the seller that you would also like to sell your puzzle on Amazon so that they can format your download accordingly. I'm not going to cover the steps in selling your puzzles on Amazon in this video, but if you would like me to cover this topic in an upcoming video, then comment, drop a KDP video below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.